Imagine making $100 every single day, not by working longer hours, but by letting artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting. In this video, I'll show you a realistic AI side hustle that can bring in around $100 a day, and how you can start with little to no upfront cost. The side hustle is simple: AI-powered content creation for businesses. Right now, thousands of small businesses, coaches, and entrepreneurs need content for websites, newsletters, and social media. They know content brings customers, but hiring writers and designers is too expensive. That's where you step in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, you can generate blogs, product descriptions, and emails in minutes. Add Canva or Mid-Journey for graphics, and you've got a complete professional package ready to deliver. So how does this become $100 a day? Most small businesses pay $300 to $500 a month for content. Sign 7 clients at $400 each, and that's $2,800 monthly, about $100 a day. And here's the best part: with AI doing most of the work, your time commitment is low. You'll spend just a few hours a week generating, polishing, and delivering content. Getting started is simple. Step 1. Create a portfolio with AI-generated blog posts, graphics, and emails. Step 2. Set up a profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Step 3. Reach out to businesses that clearly need better content. Once you land your first client, scaling gets easier. Take on more clients yourself, or outsource some of the work to virtual assistants who also use AI. The secret is adding your personal touch. Don't deliver raw AI text, refine it, check accuracy, and make it authentic. That's what keeps clients paying month after month. So yes, making $100 a day with AI-powered content creation is not only possible, it's achievable. If you'd like more ways to earn with AI, grab my free guide, 25 AI Side Hustles You Can Start Today. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI wealth automation strategies. Thanks for watching. This is AI Wealth Automation Lab.